Hey traders, a very warm welcome to you all. It's 17th May 10:40 p.m. and today we are not back with any analysis video, any stock interpretation or any prediction. It's 10:40 p.m. I usually do not record videos at this time, but the situation is like that only. So there's a financial event going on which is known by the name of this silver squeeze, right? So I'll brief you a little about what actually is silver squeeze, what is the story, what is the history behind it, and we'll also look that how did we make some money off of it, right? So basically, I'll take you to a tweet once, right? Okay. So this is a tweet I think I tweeted it in April 22, April 22, 24, and today is 17th May, right? So I what I tweeted is people will call me insane when I say silver could triple from current value. I will see them in 5 years. Can silver be the next gold? And उस time जब मैंने tweet किया था silver था $27 पे, right? Around 27 $28 पे था. And today अगर मैं आपको दिखाऊं आज silver की जो price है, that silver has I think shot up to, just one second मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. Silver price investing dot, ठीक है. Silver. So this price of silver has been shot up to $30. I think almost $31. Yeah, 31.163, and it's a 4% shoot, right? It's a 4% increase in the price of silver, and I'll just switch it to candlesticks chart. Okay, yeah. So the history behind, first I'll take you to a trade. This will be a short 8 to 10 minutes video, right? I'll take you to a trade where I have taken this, right? So this is my trade, this is my trade, right? And I took it at an average of 2680. This is silver mini, June 87,000 call, right? And I think my investment, I usually do not open my trades, but the event is special, so I'm opening my trades to you guys, right? And if you're gonna see, the value of this trade is 13,400, and I've almost made around 83% of return, right? So I also trade in commodity markets. Okay, तो इस बेसिकली अभी ये ट्रेड चल रहा है. मैं एक बार आपको सिल्वर इसके फ्यूचर इसका कॉल ऑप्शन का एक बार चार्ट दिखाता हूँ. सो द व्हेन द प्राइस वाज अराउंड आई थिंक 2600, मैंने कहीं यहाँ पे बाई किया था. And the basically the aim behind was the price. It was like from past 7 to 8 days this hash silver squeeze was trending on Twitter and all over the globe, like the Reddit community, the Twitter, the FinTwit community, and all the retailers were uh, asking basically on Twitter, right, that go and buy physical silver, go and buy silver on commodity markets. So why, I'll explain you in a bit that why is that happening and what exactly is what's the story and history behind silver squeeze. But this is the chart of the call option I bought, right? If you can see, right, it has gone from the levels of like around 25,000, 2,500 to 5,000 levels, almost double, right? And I'm sitting on a humongous profit of 86 percentage. It was a like small chunk of my portfolio. I did not want to take much risk. So yeah. And so if we are gonna see silver June futures, I basically saw silver June futures, and the real reason why I tweeted this, I tweeted this, that we can see a price surge, right? I'll tell you. Let me just once take you to silver in trading view chart, right? Just one second. So the points which I noted down, right, when I saw the chart, they were pretty clear to me that the price is gonna blast off above the level of 28 29, right? And what is the history of this hash silver squeeze event? So basically I'll explain you what exactly is squeeze, right? So I actually drew I actually made this chart, right? And if you can see, right, this is, I think, on a single candlestick represents basically 12 months. I'll make it to, 1 month, right? It will be more clear to you. So silver price has been consolidating in a single rectangle box from a long time, and it was poised to break out, right? So first reason was this: when I first analyzed, or when I first saw the charts, right? If I take you to my tweet, right? So if you see this picture, right? So earlier, when in the year of 1980s, when silver made a spike, it was humongous. It was like from levels of around $4 or $5, it went till $40. It multiplied by 10 times, and it made a spike around, like, I think, I'm not sure what the year this is. I think around 2000 year, not 2000, but I think 2004, 2005, it made a spike. I think probably this must be 2008 financial crisis, right? And it is about to make another spike here. So I bought it at, like, it was $28 when I bought it, right? And now it has given a 4% spike. So my option price has nearly doubled, right? If we go again and see, right, 5,000, okay, 86% returns. So basically, coming to the point, what exactly is silver squeeze? Why is this? Why actually the silver squeeze event is trending? The main reason of this is, see, what happens is, just 1 second, yeah. So the theory behind is, I'll go to my holdings tab, right, once again. So the theory behind this silver squeeze event is, so what happens is, in financial markets, right, silver is a commodity which I think many hedge funds and many big investors, they buy physical silver and they keep it and store it. So by doing that, they buy lots of physical silver, right? At when it's at lower price, correct? And when they buy it, right, it since it is at very cheap price, it won't cost them much of their worth, correct? So what they do is they buy the physical silver and they short in commodity markets. Short as in, they sell its futures, they sell its contracts, future contracts, or they sell its options. So what exactly goes on here is, they buy physical silver, and to keep the price low, to keep the price controlled, they short in commodity markets, right? And when they have accumulated a good amount of physical silver, they let their contracts, like they sell their contracts, which acts as a buy position in the commodity markets, and then the price shoots. So what is happening is, I think big investors, hedge funds, they have all shorted the silver in commodity markets. On paper, they have shorted silver so that the price remains low till the extent to which they cannot control, right? And now the Reddit community, the FinTweet community, and all the retailers on Twitter, on and pretty much every social media, they are requesting people to go buy physical silver, buy silver from commodity market. So what it will do is, it will make a huge demand where the supply is very less, right? And it will shoot the prices of silver. And when the prices of silver will shoot in commodity markets, these big investors and hedge funds will be forced to exit their short positions. What happens when they will exit? When they will exit their short positions from every big financial market, the price of silver will rapidly shoot, as it happened today, right? So if you can see, the silver futures, my silver call option has gone up to, like, 5150. I bought it at 2600. So nearly I am almost now sitting on 100% return, right? And I think it's a very good day for me. This whole past week was very rough for me, क्योंकि जो अपने NSE के डेरिवेटिव्स मार्केट था, काफ़ी रफ वीक था, काफ़ी साइडवेज था. एंड on Thursday, I think it was very volatile. I hope you should know if you have traded the markets, right? So I'll come back to the point, okay? So basically, yeah, so coming back to the point, why do they do this, why they short in paper market is to control the price, right? And when every pretty much every retailer, every person on Twitter, Reddit, they keep on buying physical silver, they keep on buying silver from commodity markets, right? It shoots the price, and it comes to an extent when these hedge funds, these big investors, are forced to exit. So that forceful exit is called squeeze, right? If let's suppose if I'm invested in an X, like in a X commodity or X stock, right, and I'm short on it, like by saying I'm short on it, I mean I expect that the price should go in the future term, right? So when I short it and many people are coming and buying it, so I'll get trapped, the price will move against me, right, and I will have to forcefully exit it. So that actually means getting squeezed in the financial markets, right? So this is what is currently happening. Many hedge fund, many investors are short on this because they want to keep the price low and they want to accumulate cheap physical silver to as much as possible extent they can, right? So like iska benefit, it's a, I think basic, I think in my point of view it's a win win situation कि जिसके पास बहुत पैसा है, right, वो कुछ भी कर सकता है, मेरे मेरे like in my point of view it is like that only. So this was the theory, and now the community, the financial community all over the globe, they are expecting silver prices to be shot up. I think to the value of $50. Some people are expecting $500, but that is an, like in my point of view, that is that is an exaggeration, right? I think my targets are around $50 to $60, right, from here, uh, right? So this was the theory behind the silver squeeze event, and it has also happened before. I think in 2020 or 2021 this has happened, but at that time it was not that much successful, right? I hope this time the prices shoot up to like 50 60 डॉलर, क्योंकि मैं खुद एक बुलिश पोजीशन में हूँ, एंड आई थिंक नियर टू मेरे पास अब, अगर आप देखोगे तो मेरे पास 100% रिटर्न हो चुका है. So I'm planning to exit this trade. Greed is not good for trading, right? So this was it, traders. I just wanted to bring this, show you a glimpse of what I traded in financial in commodity markets, and what exactly is silver squeeze. I seriously wanted you guys to be aware of, because देखो global markets में बहुत लोग इस चीज़ के बारे में अवेयर हैं. आई एम सीइंग लाइक, अगर आप, मैं आपको मेरी ट्विटर वॉल दिखाऊं, राइट, एवरी pretty much everyone is tweeting out silver. See this Jesse Colombo. Everyone is tweeting out silver. What is happening in silver? People are going mad over it. But अगर आप इंडियन लोगों के पास जाओगे, if you are going to Indian traders, I think इंडिया में commodity markets में बहुत कम liquidity है, and I like what my aim is to bring as much as people in commodity markets, because इंडिया के जो NSE और BSE के derivatives market है, they are highly manipulated now. Like उसमें इतना वॉल्यूम है that big players are taking undue advantage of it, and are uh, uh, controller of the market, which is SEBI, it is doing nothing. They are doing nothing. They're just sitting on their hands and eating up the revenue, right? So there is a very huge liquidity gap between NSE derivatives and MCX derivatives. So this is my aim, to bring more and more people into commodity derivatives, commodity trading, right? So this was it, traders. I hope you have liked the information, right? If this video reaches to you by any way, give my channel a subscribe, give my Twitter handle a follow up, right? And I'll keep you posted like this. And do join our Telegram group for financial education, for financial tips, to be financially free in your future, right? Thanks, traders. Be safe in the markets.